Hello everyone and welcome back to another house stock market video. For this one we'll be going over the ticker AMD, also known as Advanced Micro Technologies or Devices I believe. But yeah, today they reported that the stock has its highest price since 2006, and analysts predict that this will trend to $30 a share. So the title of this article is Short Selling had been back on the rise after declining from April records. The last 2 days it's been trading at above 5% average from its previous day, so as an overall 10% winner or gain within the last 2 days. On Thursday of this week, reported that the shares had nearly 12-year high, and it's consistently just trending upwards since very recently, with all the news on the rise in PCs and all their other technologies that they have been releasing, as well as with all the news about the automotive industry with Tesla and smart driving cars and all those new innovative devices that's consistently coming out every day. So many of the analysts are currently predicting that this will rise to a $30 price per share. As we look here, it's currently at a 22 cents. Volume's trading at 100 million, which is quite high. Usually I usually see this in the 2 million, around there. But if we look at the the technicals, see the moving averages, a lot of people are saying it's a strong buy. But what I'm interested is in the actual chart, so let's see if we can access this here. So yeah, current market opened at around, was it 22, and closed at 22.2. Is this the correct one? Hold on 1 second. I'm going to check this data. So AMD has been probably one of my favorite stocks recently, just because of the trend it's been showing. Yeah, currently the market is still open, but it opened at around 2140 ish in the market, as we can see here. From a window of the week. So this is the, yeah, so starting out in the week it was priced at $19.55, but currently it's up over like $7, which is huge. You typically don't see stocks moving up in that kind of way, unless if there's some like big news that came out, or there was a lot of faith in this company going long term with all the recent releases of technology and all that. So we can see here, within the 1 year, we can see from September to May it hasn't moved at all, really. It actually dropped quite a bit, and then from then on it started peaking up. Could be due to the new CEO or new news about what they're going to do with their business and their profit and loss balances. But yeah, all of those definitely play a factor into in this as well. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about with the AMD stock. It's currently a huge runner-up in the market right now. Will we see a pullback coming tomorrow or maybe starting of next week? Or will it just keep rising until it hits the estimated $30 price per share? Is it a buy? Is it a sell? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed this one and have a great day.